welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel friends. Today guys we are going to always color inversion mode setting how to disable in our Tecno phone. Friends, you want to disable guys this color inversion setting. So friends, how can you disable it in your Tecno phone? In this video friends, I am going to show you guys. So before starting video, and first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to disable your color inversion. Then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see this type of setting friends. Just click on guys special function setting friends, tap here and guys scroll. Accessibility setting friends, tap here. Again scroll friends, you can see your color inversion setting, tap here. Sorry friends, I pause the video because of sound. So as you can see, use color inversion setting guys. You can see color about color inversion guys. You want to read, you can read from here, and guys you want to disable, you can disable from this right side. Friends, your color inversion mode will disable, and guys you can see everything is fine in your phone. You can see your phone screen color, and guys you can see YouTube setting also. So like that guys, you can disable your color inversion in your Tecno phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.